Hi viewers, in today's video I will show you how to easily change your Instagram account password. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram. Then click profile icon. Then click on three line. Now click on account center. Now click on password and security. Then click on change password. Now click on Instagram account. Then type your current password. Then type your new password. Again type your password. Then click change password. And that's it. Your Instagram password is successfully changed.